because they believed it would be accepted in the cryptocurrency market if everyone could agree on a single price for it. Analysts, reviewers, and other devoted pioneers have engaged in verbal combat over Pi coin on numerous occasions. This was the stance or rationale behind the so-called Global Consensus Price, or GCP. And the fact is that if an asset's value had been decided democratically, they would undoubtedly have won because they had the enormous numbers of supporters needed to succeed in anything. Economists claim that a number of factors, including supply and demand for that specific asset, determine the value of anything that can be exchanged, including any cryptocurrency on the market. Hold on, guys. Allow me to elaborate. What I meant to say is that if more investors try to buy Pi coin while pioneers are eager to sell them, and vice versa, the price will rise. Additionally, because there is a finite amount of Pi token available, prices will continue to rise as demand increases. Do you know what that means, fellas? Okay, I'll tell you if you don't already know. It implies that we will all become millionaires. Wow, I'm getting chills just thinking about the day. So, guys, keep watching because I'm going to give you guys something based on the recently chosen Pi Network Global Consensus Price. Like I always tell you guys, don't fall for con artists in my comment section. Some of them may ask you to message them on Telegram or WhatsApp. I kindly ask you not to fall for these clowns. The only way to get in touch with me is by email, which you can find in the description of this video. Now that that has been said, let's move on to the main subject. As I said, the economic experts disagreed, claiming that supply and demand play a significant role in determining the value of everything that can be traded, including all cryptocurrencies currently available. For instance, the price will increase if more investors try to purchase Pi coins than there are willing sellers, and vice versa. And because there is a limited supply of many cryptocurrencies, the rising demand will keep pushing up prices. Who is winning the debate between those who support the global consensus value, GCV, and those who oppose it is currently the big question. The GCV continues to trend higher than any suggested value for the Pi coin, despite the obvious explanations offered by the experts because GCV supporters are unwilling to give up what they cherish the most. Oh God, I'm not sure if you understand what I'm trying to say. Say Pi coin to the moon in the comments if you see what I'm getting at. Consequently, a Twitter poll revealed that GCV supporters are still unwilling to give up the fight. How did it start off? The Global Consensus Value GCV may not have been known to the Pi Network core team, but they learned about it because it was sufficiently popular on social media. Despite this, they seem to be ignoring the trend and refusing to take part in a pointless public discussion. It is likely that only one person created the GCV, and that person used nothing more complicated than Formula 4, which is 3.1415926535897932338, to arrive at such a huge value. The decimal point is removed, and the constant is converted to its first 6 digits, which are 314,159. That is the straightforward reasoning used by the trend-starting pioneer to determine that particular price, which many consider absurd. In case you didn't know, we worked very hard to make this video available to you. If you haven't already, all we ask is for you to like and subscribe so you can see more of this content. Just a quick reminder, we will never ask for your phone number or other personal information, and we will never ask you to message us on WhatsApp. The only way to get in touch with us for questions or business proposals is via the email address listed in the video description. Therefore, heed the warnings about spam and con artists in the comments section. The Pi browser software is also available, allowing programmers to test and set up decentralized third-party Pi programs. However, the majority of the crypto community is wary of the Pi network because they believe it to be a pyramid scheme. Make sure to watch the video we made after this one where we discuss the opinions of experts on the Pi network. We have also made a video in that regard. The description will contain the link. Despite the ambiguities, there are some significant aspects of the Pi network that demonstrate that it can be somewhat trusted. For example, the Pi software is environmentally friendly and doesn't drain your phone's battery. Unlike other mining programs, it is aided in its efforts to protect its ledger by users keeping an eye out for one another. How does it function? Pi Network's digital currency project. Its main goal is to make Bitcoin mining more accessible. The Pi network allows for mobile app-based cryptocurrency mining. unlike Bitcoin mining, which has become too expensive for the majority of people. The Pi core team receives 25% of all Pi coins, and each user is only allowed to have one Pi account. Pi's recent development of a closed mainnet allows it to only be used by individuals who are already a part of the Pi ecosystem for trading, buying, and selling. One must complete the KYC verification process before they can start trading. If you believe in the project's future and are encouraged by the Pi network pricing projection, you might be able to get your Pi node right away. There were more than 120 Pi nodes recently, which is typical in the first few weeks. When such eagerly anticipated projects are listed on cryptocurrency exchanges, their price and market cap rise due to increased demand from people rushing to buy the newest up-and-coming big thing. So it might be reasonable to anticipate that the price of the Pi network will rise. However, the price frequently drops after a short period of time. Price forecast through 2023: the Pi coin's price may increase to $20 in 2022, and to $50 in 2025, according to CoinSwitch. According to the Reddit community, the Pi currency should have long-term benefits. The Pi network pricing could reach the desired level of $100 by January 2023. Brown Pi network has a promising future, claims Crypto. The Pi coin's cost may reach $2,000 by 2024. Predicts the price of the Pi network based on the rising trend in Bitcoin data flow. The Pi coin will cost $3,500 in 2025 and $6,000 in 2026, according to this forecast. Pi holders are still unable to trade as of November 14, 2026, as well as November 14, 2022. Price anticipation: in a year, the Pi coin will be a terrible high-risk investment. Based on the price increases of the most significant social and technological advancements like Facebook, smartphones, data, etc., Valet Investor claims. A valid investor predicts that the price of the Pi coin will be $389 in 2023, $849 in 2024, $354 in 2024, and $354 in 2025, according to the platform's Pi network pricing projections. When people start selling their coins to make quick money, it frequently gets worse a few days after the first morning. Will the Pi network's results be the same? Time will show that investors couldn't exchange Pi coins as of March 23, 2022. The success of the Pi network will depend on how well investors accept their way of life. After the official introduction, the price of the Pi currency would likely increase, and a few days later, it would start to rapidly decline. The value of the currency could reach between $100 and $200 per Pi by the end of 2023. According to the Pi network pricing predictions mentioned above, the Pi coin's price could rise to $500 once it starts trading on cryptocurrency exchanges. However, since the currency cannot yet be traded, it is difficult to predict the future with any degree of accuracy. As usual, research the market before making a choice. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. What do you consider the Pi network to be? Come back for more of these educational videos and share your thoughts in the comments section. For the time being, we'll end here. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below if you like this video. Additionally, please check out the email in the video's description if you have any business proposals. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next.